Hello students, welcome to the science subject. This is the revision first, class 5th standard. First question, solve the followings. In the first main, the first question is choose the correct options. Okay, there are the 2 or more options, so we have to choose correct one and circle the correct one answer. A. Question A. Layers of soil are known as soil profile or topsoil or rocks. Which one is the correct answer, children? Yes. Layers of soil are known as soil profile. So mark soil profile. B question, dash layer of soil has humus. Options are topsoil, subsoil or bedrock. Yes, which one is the correct? The answer, topsoil. Topsoil layer of soil has humus. Next C question, dash helps to conserve soil. Terrace forming or ploughing. Which one is the correct? Terrace forming. Yes, terrace forming helps to conserve soil. Next D1, ozone is present in mesosphere or stratosphere. Yes, already we know the layers of atmosphere. Ozone is present in stratosphere. Next E question, plants use oxygen or carbon dioxide to prepare their food. E question. Answer for the E question. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare their food. This process is called the photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, plants prepare their food. Next F question. Earth exhibits mechanical or gravitational force. These are the 2 options, mechanical or gravitational. Yes, which one is correct? Gravitational force. Yes. Just to do the correct sentence there. Earth exhibits gravitational force. Next G question. Hammer is an example of first or second class levers. Hammer is an example of first class levers. Next H question. 21% of nitrogen or oxygen or carbon dioxide is present in the environment. The 21% of oxygen is present in the environment. So how much the nitrogen? The remaining 78% of nitrogen is present in the environment. The other gases, carbon dioxide and organs. Next I question. Large pieces of rocks are present in topsoil or bedrock. I question. Large pieces of rocks are present in topsoil or bedrock. The correct answer is large pieces of rocks are present in bedrock. Next move to the J question. Moon or sun is closest to the earth. Which one is closest to the earth? Moon. Moon is closest to the earth. K question. Craters. Craters are present on the surface of earth or moon. Craters are present on the surface of moon. The correct answer is moon. L question. The earth atmosphere is a blanket of gas or water vapor? Yes, give the answer for that. Yes, the correct answer is gases. The Earth atmosphere is a blanket of gases. Next M question. Moon of day 7 is called new or half moon. Moon of 7 day is called half moon. Next N question. The innermost layer of earth is dash, core or mantle. The innermost layer of the earth is core. Crust, mantle, inner core and outer core. There are the three layers in the earth. The innermost layer of the earth is core. Next O question. Air or land pollution causes global warming. Yes, the correct answer is air pollution causes global warming. Next, second main question, fill in the blanks. First one, that means A question. Soil that contains a lot of sand particles dash. Soil that contains a lot of sand particles, that is sandy soil. Next B1. Soil that contains a lot of clay particles, that is clayey soil. Next C1. Soil containing both soil and clay particles, that is called a loamy soil. Next D1. Soil is made up of dash and dash. Soil is made up of humus and microorganisms. Next E question. Dash and dash are two natural agents for soil erosion. Wind and water are two natural agents for soil erosion. Next F question. Dash layer of soil is rich in organic matter. Top soil layer of soil is rich in organic matter. Next G question. Soil provides all dash that plants need to grow. Soil provides all minerals that plants need to grow. Next H question. Plants take dash to prepare their food. Plants take carbon dioxide to prepare their food. I question. We breathe in dash and release carbon dioxide. We breathe in air or oxygen and release carbon dioxide. J1. Earth has almost 70% of water. Yes, very good. K1. Plants take dash from the bacteria present in the soil. Plants take nitrogen from the bacteria present in the soil. Next question L1. Yes, give the answer for that. Air exerts pressure in dash directions. Air exerts pressure in all directions. M1. Behind dash space is present. Exosphere. Exosphere space is present. Next N question. Slide is an dash. Slide is an inclined plane. Next O. The weight lifted by the person is dash. The weight lifted by the person is load. P question. When coal burns, it gives dash energy. It gives heat energy. When coal burns, it gives heat energy. Q question is energy that we gain from the sun, that is called solar energy. Okay, solar energy is uses in many ways. R question is nutcracker is a second class lever. Nutcracker is a second class lever. Hammer is the first class lever. Next Yes, one question. A dash is used to host a flank. A small pulley is used to host a flank. Next T question. Gaseous form of water is called water vapor. U question is space shuttles orbit in thermosphere. Space shuttles orbit in thermosphere. Next V1 is Earth revolves around the sun. Earth revolves around the sun. Next W1, Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Next question is life is present on the moon. The answer is wrong. Life is not present on the moon. Why question? The surface of the moon is dash. The surface of the moon is craters. Next, the last one, Z question. The layer of dash protects us from harmful radiation. The layer of atmosphere protects us from harmful radiations. The main question number 3, state true or false. Yes, we have to give the answer with me. Okay, children. Okay, let us start. A1 question is, we breathe in oxygen. This statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Second one, windmills generate electricity from the wind. Yes, this statement also true. C1, 21% of nitrogen is present in our environment. Wrong. Why? Because 78% of nitrogen is present in our environment. 21% of oxygen is present in our environment. So the given statement is wrong. Next D1, air exerts pressure only in one direction. This statement is wrong. Why? Because air exerts pressure in all directions. E1 question, we use air pressure to fill ink in a fountain pen. Yes, the statement is true. Next F question is, soil does not contain any organic matter. Wrong statement. Why? Because soil contains organic matter. G question is, soil profile is the process of formation of soil. Soil profile is not a process of formation of soil. That's why the give statement is wrong. Next H1, a rubber band exhibits elastic force. Answer is true. A rubber band exhibits elastic force. Next I question, ramp is an example of a pulley. Wrong statement. Why? Because ramp is an example of a inclined plane. Next J question, earth does not have frictional force. Yes, it doesn't have the frictional force, but it has the gravitational force. Speakers produce sound. Yes, it's a true statement. Subsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil profile. Wrong. Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the soil profile. Next M question. Bedrock contains humus and organic matter. It's false. Bedrock contains large rocks and negligible amount of water. Next, move to the fourth question. Match the followings. There are the two sets of match the followings here. Okay, in the first main, there are the two columns A and B. In the A column, hammer, forceps, nutcracker, bicycle and slide. In the B column, second class lever, third class lever, inclined, first class lever, wheel and axle. So we have to match A to the B. Hammer. Hammer is the example of a first class lever. Forceps. Forceps is an example of a third class lever. Nutcracker. Nutcracker is an example of a second class lever. Bicycle. It is a wheel and axle. Slide. Slide. It is an inclined plane. Okay, next. Second one, match the following is here. Here also there are the two columns. In the A column, day 7, day 1, day 3, day 10 and day 14. In the B column, gibbous moon, new moon, crescent moon, full moon and half moon. Okay, match the correct answers. Day 7. Day 7 is a half moon. Day 1, that is a new moon. Day 3, that is a crescent moon. Day 10, that is a gibbous moon. Day 14, that is a full moon. Okay, these two are the match the followings. Here, some fill in the blanks here. So, we have to discuss one by one. First one is, moon's gravity is dash of Earth's gravity. Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. Second question, moon is the dash satellite of Earth. The answer is natural. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Third one, dash remained in the spacecraft. Apollo 11 remained in the spacecraft. Fourth one, every year 5th June is celebrated as dash. Every year 5th June is celebrated as Environment Day. Next, fifth one, insects such as butterflies help in the dash of plants. Insects such as butterflies help in the pollination of plants. Next, last question in the revision first. Sixth one is, dash is known as to be Earth's most abundant greenhouse gas. Yes, answer is water vapor. Okay, this is the revision 1. So you have to practice more. Just refer this one and prepare for the essay 2 examination. Bye.